weather out like this. I have not driven this car in a minute. So I'm gonna take the Mustang off for a little cruise and just have some fun, you know? Let's get the 10-speed shifts on clip. Gotta take advantage of this weather because it's just Chicago weather edging us, bro. Yeah. See y'all guys in the next video. Hope y'all enjoy those little 10-speed downshifts. I'm doing it with one hand, boys. God, I need tires. We're gonna get something better than that. But alright, boys. I'll catch you on the next video.